Hey guys, it's Samantha here. Today we're going to talk to you about hail. This is my simulated hailstone. It's made out of Play-Doh, and we're going to show you what is inside. It's not just a solid yellow Play-Doh. There's actually more to it, and we're going to cut it open and see what's inside. Okay, so here we go. Ugh. Cool. So what's inside, as you can see, are the different layers. We have the red layer that was formed first, and then it looks like you can see the green layer going around it, and then you can kind of see the blue, and then the yellow that we saw on the outside. So kind of like an onion, the hailstones are formed in layers. Alright, so we just talked about how our hailstone has different layers of ice. Now we're going to show you how those layers are formed with help from our hairdryer and our other simulation hailstone, a balloon. Okay, so I'm going to turn on this heated updraft. We're going to see what happens when the hailstone is put in this updraft. And then when the updraft goes away and the downdraft happens, it falls down, and then the updraft catches it again, like that. And each time it's at the top here, it's getting a layer of ice added to it, and it falls down, and then it's pushed back up again and gets another layer of ice until it's so heavy that it falls past the updraft and down to the ground. Alright, so on our diagram here we have a thunderstorm cloud, as you can see, and thunderstorms usually happen during the summer, and hail is definitely a summer phenomenon. Today I have my hailstone here made out of Play-Doh that has been cut in half so you can see the layers. So what happens is it starts as a tiny ball of ice, this red dot in the center, and it falls down the downdraft, but then that one layer is caught in the updraft up here in the top of the cloud where it's really, really cold. The super cooled water and ice forms another layer, that green layer around it, and it falls back down again and is caught, and it keeps going around until it is too heavy that the updraft can't hold it up anymore, and the layers of ice fall down as a hailstone. And that's how you get as you've seen, like giant golf ball size and like even like hailstones like this big, is because the updraft is so strong that it keeps pushing those layers of ice up until it falls down. And that's how hail is formed.